Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to burn a CD on laptop. We're gonna use a VLC media player, so if you don't have it, please go ahead to their official website and download it. It's free. Now open VLC and drag your media files into the playlist dock. If the playlist dock is invisible, enable it by going to the View tab and selecting Playlist. Access Convert Save. Go to the Media tab and select Convert/Save. This option will let you prepare files for burning onto the CD. After selecting that, the Open Media window will pop up. Choose a Disk tab, then select Audio CD under Disk Selection. Browse and select the CD burner driver you'll be using and click Convert or Save to begin the burning process. VLC is a straightforward option for burning CDs, but other programs like Windows Media Player or iTunes can work just as well. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.